We are doing a 3.5 ton AC change out here today. Just pulled the coil out and the sheet metal it was in and dropped this case coil on here. The lines used to come around the front here, and I'm just going to spin the coil on this one. We got this unfinished space back here that we're going to utilize. We've been using all of the bends to just pop the line set up through there. And pops into this room here. Corey's getting the old line set out here, and we'll get a new one ran and get the tin in here and get going on this. Got the coil in there. And going to get this line set ran. Drain lines in. Sheet metal's done. It's all wrapped up. Humidifier's hooked back into that. Just got to caulk that seam there. And back here. Line set. New route there. Caulk these holes. She looks good. Look at that. Corey set that baby all by himself. It looks nice. Square with the house. What's our suction temp? 88. What's our subcooling supposed to be? What's our breaker max? Minimum.
Minimum circuit is 23. Max is 40.
Okay.
What's in the now?
30. His father-in-law was a heating guy. Ran a one-man shop for years, apparently. Anyway, he said they had 58 pair of snips when Jack died, and they split it up between the 3 kids. But look at this, he just gave me these snips with JR, Jack Ryan, stamped on there. My favorite shop snips, pair of W7s. I got a new pair right in the truck here. When we need to lay out metal in the truck here. But yeah, that's my go-to snips for the shop right there. So I feel fortunate. Look at, he stamped 79 on there. I'll bet you he bought these in 79. He retired in 85. At my age, I'm almost 57. He said Jack was 58 when he retired. Maybe I'll get lucky and win the lottery and I can retire and pass this on to Corey next year. But what would I do, huh? Anyway, we're just wrapping up here. I gotta go put the sticker on. Swung by Gordy's to hook up their AC. We had to remove it last year for some main sewer plumbing in the parking lot here.